Hey projectors, welcome back to Project Finance, and today's video we're going to go over week 19 of the Dividend Challenge. If you guys are new to the series, the Dividend Challenge will invest $200 every week no matter how good or bad the market is, with a goal of reaching 20,000 by the end of the year. And if you guys are new to the channel, hi, my name is Dennis, and my main focus of this channel is to help people with their personal finances, especially targeting millennials and people younger than that. So if you guys fit that category, please feel free to subscribe and ring the notification bell for all the updates. And the first thing we do in this segment is talk about the news. And one big news, or actually we'll go back a little bit before we talk about the news, is that the last video I recorded on Tuesday and then I uploaded on Friday. And I put that as my biggest gain, but like on Thursday while I was editing it, the whole market just died, and I was like, oh my god, this is like so bad, because I just released a video that said that my biggest gains, and it's like false advertisement, I guess, because it's not the latest numbers. So yeah, the market died. So I expect this my portfolio today to be like in the super red, because like it was really bad on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My friend who saw the video on Friday, he was like, bro, like when do you guys record this? Like this is coming out so late because the market isn't green anymore. So I talked to him a little bit about it, and he's like, you need to upload these videos faster because you're getting fake news right now. So hopefully when I record the videos, I'll be able to upload the video the next day. Usually I don't like editing the videos same day as I record, just because I'm recording this at 1 a.m. right now, and I don't know, I'm gonna sleep after I record this. Tomorrow morning I'll see how it goes with editing, because I do have like a full-time real job, you know, that I need to attend to. So with that being said, just letting you guys know that last week's video was the biggest gains because it was recorded on Tuesday, but then the market did die. So we'll go to the news this week. Not much happened this week, just except for this past weekend was a Labor Day weekend, and unfortunately it was the hottest weekend of the year in California, or Southern California to be more specific, LA to be even more specific. It was like 100 degrees at the lowest and 115 at the highest on Friday to Sunday. I think Friday was around like 105, and then Saturday was like 115, and then Sunday was like 110, 107. So yeah, it was super hot, and everyone cranked their ACs, and it happened that on Sunday night, there's a power outage in my neighborhood. So it was around 9 p.m. It was like any other power outage, because in power outage sometimes you still have your cell phone, but my cell phone wasn't working at all. So like I didn't have internet at all. So I was like, I was shot back to the Stone Age, because I don't have any games on my phone that don't require internet, and I don't have any like books or anything, because I have like ebooks, but they're all like require internet because I don't download them. I never thought this was gonna happen, so I literally had nothing to do for like 2-3 hours, and then I just fell asleep. And the power went back on around like 12 or 1 o'clock, and then I woke up and I was like, you know, catching up on emails and stuff like that, and then I didn't sleep until like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. So my sleep schedule was like super messed up right now. So it was pretty eye-opening that I didn't realize how bad it was pre-internet and pre-electronic days. Like I literally had nothing to do. Anyways, moving on to the next news. I'm not sure if you guys knew this, but California is having some big fires right now, kind of more north of LA. I think it's called the Angels National Park. They're caught on fire, and I think another fire caught on fire around the Inland Empire area, like San Bernardino area. If you guys aren't from California, Angeles Park is a little north of LA, and then Inland Empire, San Bernardino area is to the east of LA. So it happened on a Monday morning, Sunday night, and I'm not sure it's due to the heat or whatnot. I'm not too sure what happened, and I didn't realize there was a fire until later that day. I talked to my roommate about it. Apparently there were ashes on my car, but I didn't know because my mom washed my car prior to that, so I didn't realize that there's a fire until I got home around like 5 p.m. When I talked to my roommate, he was like, oh, there's a fire happening. I'm like, what? I was so confused that I didn't notice anything. I didn't notice until like later that day around 5 p.m. when my roommate told me there's a fire happening. So yeah, apparently it's a really big fire, and it was like a lot of smoke and ashes coming down, especially in the LA area. So not only was it super hot, but there was a fire happening at the same time. In terms of stocks, I don't think there's any big news besides the crash that happened on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I think today kind of recovered a little bit. Yesterday was Labor Day, so the market was closed, and I guess we'll just jump right into it. Not much to say besides that. So let's go M1 Finance right now. So here at M1 Finance, and we have this earn double. When you refer a friend, you get $20. They're getting close to their $2 billion on M1 Finance, so it's pretty cool. Links down below if you guys want to sign up. I use M1 Finance. You guys seen the last 19 weeks. I really recommend it in terms of long-term investment. You don't really have to do anything. It just pulls your money and then they reinvest all your dividends. Links down below if you guys want to sign up. It's completely free. I get $20, you get $20. You know, we all benefit here. Anyways, we'll log in here. And then last week was week 18, and we're at $16,179. I expect us to be at 15 15.8 or 15.5. I think anything above 15.5 would be great. If anything below, I was like, okay, kind of expecting it. That's equivalent to losing $900 because it's about $700 loss per the portfolio, and then an additional $200 loss because of my initial $200 investment for this week. But let's see what we have here. So 15.3. Damn it. Okay, so it's a lot below 15.5. So let me make my thumbnail real quick. Let me make that thumbnail. Oh man, that's so bad. Let's go over it. I'll go over the week after too. Okay, so our total value is $15,313.37. A total gain of $1,512.50. A total return of 13.26%. I think they have blasted back 4 weeks now. Let me go check my thumbnails real quick. So let me go back. So actually we only went back, blasted back 2 weeks to week 17. So everything we gained from week 18 is gone. 18, 19 should be $400. So this should be 15.4, assuming nothing happened. So I lost about $100 in terms of that. Hopefully the math makes sense. If not, just ignore what I said. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's go look at the week here. Oh God. Negative $1,079.92, down 6.65%. So yeah, my thumbnail here from last week was biggest gain. So I guess the quote for this week's thumbnail is biggest loss. So I think the loss before that wasn't that huge. Let me go back here. Yeah, my sad face down here. So between these two, week 6, week 7, I lost about $400. So this is my biggest loss for sure, down $1,079, 92 cents, 1,080, I guess, 1080p. But yeah, let's go over the week here, see what happened. I'm guessing a lot of it came down from work from home pie. So I guess a lot of companies didn't do so well in the last 3 days. So aggressive ETF pie, we're at total value of $7,635.69, up $759.41, up 13.5%. Let's go inside. And yeah, we're not at 20% anymore, guys. We're around 15 to 16%. Not too bad, I guess. Emerging markets still the highest, 21%. Yeah, I expected VO to go down because the S&P went down. Overall, the Nasdaq also went down by a lot. So yeah, I expected this to be the biggest drop. Yeah, as a whole, went down $302.56. So let's go to the next pie here. And dividend hunting is actually higher than work from home now. So dividend hunting pie, we're at $3,908.08, up $576.23, up 20.65%. Let's go inside. I think that one looks like it's doing pretty well. Yeah, it's some reason still everything's still above 20%. Let's go over the last week. What happened here? Yeah, nothing much dropped. That's interesting. The market dropped, but then the big dividend ones didn't drop. The most dropped is 0.94%, down $3.7. Not bad. This is why diversifying is really good in terms of entering multiple markets. When one drops, the other one hopefully stays the same, so you don't lose everything. Like if you have everything in Tesla, oh boy, man. Let me go over Tesla real quick. Oh boy, man. Everyone's the sad boy with Tesla. Let's look here, man. The fall of Tesla. Yeah, so you're at the peak on Monday, August 31st at $498. I think I said that in the last video. And it started falling on Tuesday. I didn't think it's going to fall this much. It fell to $330.21. That's crazy. As fast as it rose, it dropped just as fast. It rose $50 from Friday to split day. And then it dropped $160, $170 actually to be more exact, over 8 days. Not even like 8 trading days. That's 8 calendar days, but it's actually in reality like 5 trading days. That's sad. Let's check Apple real quick too. Apple didn't drop too. Okay, actually I take it back. It dropped pretty bad. It rose $5 and then dropped $24. That's crazy. I mean, it's not too bad. If you bought in around on early August, but if people bought right before the split, you lost a lot of money, man. I'm sorry to hear. Same thing with Tesla. If you bought around early July, you're kind of like break even point. But you bought anytime in August, I think you're kind of like in the downer. I'm not sure if it's because of everyone, this huge dump, or just because of the market. It could be both. Like the market was coming down and everyone just dumped everything. Same thing happened with Bitcoin here. So we're at 12,000 on September 1st. That's kind of the same day as the split date. And then this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday that crashed. It just kept coming down and down and down and down and down. At the low point, it was at $9,813. So good thing my video didn't come out that day, because then I told you guys to buy Bitcoin. And if you did, take my advice, you would have lost a lot of money. So maybe I should release my videos late. That's a good point. I don't get any complaints saying like, hey, I lost a lot of money that day. But I still think it's a good buy around 10,000. Buy a single coin, 10,000 is solid number, flat number, and I call it a day. So yeah, let's go back to M1 Finance. So let's go back to the next pie. The last pie is the work from home pie. We're at a total value of $3,769.60, up $74.17, up 2.06%. So we're still overall up, but yeah, this pie stresses me out, man. It's up down roller coaster, man. Look at this, up down roller coaster. So let's go over the stocks here, see what happened. And first thing I see is that Zoom's overweight. I think it's because of the gains. Yeah, it's still 35.58% gain for the Zoom. Last week it was my highest gain, so it's good that it's still going up. Chegg and Microsoft fell. Chegg fell 16.08%. This is kind of concerning now since it's down more than 15%. That's usually a threshold where I get concerned of a stock. I'll see what's happening here. DocuSign still above water. I think it fell over the weekend as well. Let me double check for you guys. Yeah, so first, and then it dropped about $50. I noticed this because it's on my Robinhood, so I checked out kind of daily versus the other stocks where I don't. Let's go back. Let's see Zoom actually, see how it fell. This one dropped about almost $100, about $90 as well, but still above before the earning call. So before earning calls was about $290, and now it's at $369. So it's still above like $70. So that's still good. Let's go over the week here. See damage. Yeah, down $775.49, 17.12%, and yeah, everything fell, man. It's crazy. Zoom fell 23.34%. Second biggest fall next to DocuSign, 23.5%. So let's go over the activity here. And today is the 8th. It's actually my brother's birthday, and happy birthday to my brother. And my dad's birthday is actually the next day, the 9th. So happy birthday to my dad as well. We celebrated on Saturday. We had like dinner with the family and had the kids over, and then we had birthday cake. So yeah, happy birthday to them. It's funny how they're born day after each other. And actually another interesting fact is that my nephew's birthday, which is my brother's son, his birthday is on 8/9. So my brother's birthday is 9/8. So easier to remember for me. Nephew's birthday is kind of hard to remember just because I'm not in their life too much. So yeah, anyways. And not much activity this week, just 200 deposit and the trading for the week. Let's go to the holdings here. And then go to the highs. Unrealized gains. Actually, no, Zoom's still the highest, 34.47%. BlackRock at 17.99%, and then VWO, emerging markets at 16.61%. Let's go to the bottom three here. Bottom three, Chegg, down 12.6%, Microsoft 4.29%, and SHY down 0.1%. But I guess on the bright side of things, we're still positive. I don't know if I'll make it to 20,000 by the end of the year at this rate. If the market keeps going down, man, like, I'm a fail. This whole series is a bust. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys aren't as sad as I am. I'm a sad boy today. I guess I shouldn't be that sad. It's not too bad. I'm still positive. But people that came in the market today, I feel bad for them. Like, they just lost tons of money. Especially Tesla people that are like, Tesla hype, I'm God mode. Like, they lost so much money. But anyways, let me know down below how you guys are doing. If you guys are in the negative and want to pull out, I highly suggest you guys never pull out. The market should recover. But, you know, I'm not a financial advisor to tools. Do your own research. But I always say, like, if the market crashes, your money's no good anyway. So might as well just keep it in there and hopefully pray that it'll come back up and, you know, you're in the positive. So hopefully you guys are still in the positive. Like, you guys invested early during the quarantine times and that it just kind of declined for a bit. But you guys are still overall up. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for all the new updates. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.